Welcome to another TruckPay video tutorial. This is Ben Honig, TruckPay's Chief Technology Officer, and today we're going to learn how to manage a construction site on the TruckPay iOS app. To begin managing a construction site, navigate to the list of all of your construction sites, and then tap on a site. You'll see your construction site profile. You can edit all of the construction site's information. You can see a picture of the site, or just a placeholder like here, where the site is on a map. You can see the site's start date, end date, open time, and close time. You can even open and close the construction site right from the app, and when you do, all of the employees and truck drivers working on that site will be notified in real time that it's open or closed. This is a huge time saver because it saves you from having to give a phone call to every single one of those people to tell them why the site might be open or closed. You can do it all with just the tap of a button. You can see further details like the electricity on the site, if there's internet quality, and the elevation. Knowing the elevation of a construction site is very important, especially when dropping loads of contaminated material. You can view all of your employees on the construction site, and you can view all of your jobs on that specific construction site. And that's how you can easily manage your construction sites on TruckPay.